What's up, young blood?
What's up?
Swine, my brother?
Nah, no thanks.
All right, today's agenda, we are going to get out the most bogus floor pan repair I have ever seen. So, gonna work on this, getting this all out.
Oh, Tom, goddamn!
All right, I think that this is about ready to be removed, and then from there, you can see what can be worked with. Unless there's no. We got one more pesky one right here. One more. Let's see, one more, two more. I can feel one. For the separate. Let's see if it separates. Let's on here. Oh, God damn it, got one more. Can't see with all this black stuff on here. Let's see. Is there another one? It can't be another one. How to get this shit? What this is? Put some spot welds or something right here. This about to piss me off. Let's see. I don't see nothing else on here. That might have been the last one.
Rapaz, que é isso?
I have to get somewhere. Ask some more professional people if there's still enough left on here to work with. I believe that there is. But I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Get up in some of these group chats, ask some people. There's enough here to work with, but yeah, we're gonna find out. But as you can see, janky ass floor repair has been removed. Then I'm thinking about taking this out too. I mean, I got another one, but I'm also thinking about buying a new one. But yep. Good old rust bucket, old Larry.
I'm tired of this shit, nigga. Oh, what? Oh, I didn't make you do that.
Well, all you know-it-all repair people. Hopefully somebody answers me versus just getting likes and don't get no answer. But oh man, fucking sinus is tripping. But there's enough left on here to be repaired, right? 'Cause I ain't gonna lie, I don't care to do a whole floor pan. I really don't. So still gotta take the rest of this brace out. I got another one. Damn, sneezing like hell over here. But yeah, there should be enough left on the bone over here to repair. But only part I'm kind of salty about, how whoever did this repair, all these holes they poked in here. But I mean, it could probably just be filled up with some weld. But yeah, this is out. By far the shittiest one I've seen in person, other than the ones I've seen online. God damn, what? Nose running like a faucet. You think I do cocaine? Oh man. Yeah, like I said, I got this one. I mean, this seat brace is rough, as is this one's kind of rough too, but this cross brace is cool, and that's the part I really wanted. I could buy, I mean, granted, you could buy all 3 of these pieces, but yeah, got the cross brace, gotta pop that off. Gotta look and see however they did that. So yeah. So yeah, we're gonna pull the whole brace out. I was told how to get this repaired with how to weld it in and not make it look like a patch job. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not buying no whole floor pan. So yeah, there we go.